Hello and welcome back, guys. In this video, we are going to use the existing knowledge we had of tables. Well, actually, we have of tables to move all of our information right next to our picture. If you don't understand what that means, let me show it to you. By the end of this video, we will have something like this. Like for example, over here, you see that we have our picture, and then the information is right underneath it, and yeah. So we're going to use all the knowledge we gained from our last video about how to make this table and create something, whoops, like this. We're going to push all the information over here. So I'm going to give you a hint, and you can pause the video over here and take it as a challenge that you try to do this by yourself. uh, so the hint would be like, you have to create a big table first of all, and then you have to have table rows, so a row, and then two table datas, which one of them would be the picture and the other one would be the info. So if you really understood how, whoops, sorry, that was, if you really understand how these tables work and how the information is being flowed, and if you actually made one or two more tables like I requested you to study, you'll be able to do this. This is actually something we'll be making in the future, in the coming videos. So you don't need to worry about that. I'll show you how to do that. But for now, yeah, basically this is what you have to do. So pause the video, have a go at it, and okay, now let us try to do it together. So I'm going to use this one for reference actually, so I can see, because the code is almost the same. I'm going to close this so I can see. Okay, so we need all the way until the end of lorem ipsum, that is totam, somewhere around here. Okay, so what we're gonna do is, I don't think we need to look at that for now. We're gonna go to the image, so it's over here, image, sorry, and then we're going to make a table right here. Then inside this table, we're supposed to have a table row, and that table row is supposed to have two sets of data. One is the picture and one is the information, and they will go right next to each other, as we know. So we're going to take the image tag, all of it, Control X to cut it, and I'm going to put that in the right over here. And then we're going to take all this other information from H1 till the end of, well, not here, but till the end of this lorem ipsum tag, and Control X again to cut it. And I'm going to paste it in this second table data. Maybe push this on to the second line so it's much better. Yeah. Maybe move all of this a little bit to show you guys that all of this is inside the table data tag. Oof. So a lot of information. Yep. So, and then the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to push table data onto the next line so it's much more visible easily. Okay. So if I control save this, now we have a table data that has the image tag inside it, and the second table data that has all the information inside it, and all of this is inside one table row. So if I go back to our website and I refresh it, what just happened? Oh, I need to reload it again in the live server. Okay, no problem. So I'm just gonna go here. I'm going to control save, and then I'm going to launch it with live server. And there we go. It's almost the same. The only difference is there is a little bit of a space over here, and we have no space. We are like attached to it. So that's very easy. Again, like I said, if you go back to the tables on W3 schools, you will see the attributes table provides, and like border, one of them is cell spacing. So we're going to do cell spacing by, let's say, 20. And if I save it and go back, there. Now it's more or less identical. We got what we wanted. Okay, so we have the cell spacing and whatnot, and that's it basically for this video. All I wanted to do in this one was to move the picture and the information and structure our website using the tables. Again, like I said in the last video, we don't do this anymore. Now we have things like flex boxes, CSS grids, floats, and many other things in CSS, but we will get to it later. So for now, this will have to do. If you manage to do this on your own, that's really epic. That means you guys have gotten a very good understanding of tables, and the coming video is going to be, the next video is actually just a challenge, so it will be really easy for you to complete that challenge. But if you weren't able to do this on your own, I would suggest that go back to the last video and this one, and through the documentations, of course, you can reach me out for questions, but get the table concept down before the next one. And that's it. I'll see you in the next video.